Kubernetes is container-centric management software used to deploy and operate containerized applications. It is also known as K8s, an abbreviation resulting from counting the 8 letters between the K and the S. The Greek word Kubernetes refers to a helmsman or pilot. The open-source software was initially released in 2014. Google Cloud is the birthplace of Kubernetes, which was originally developed at Google. The software makes managing applications easier, with built-in commands for deploying apps, rolling out updates, scaling up and down to meet changing needs, monitoring, and other tasks. It streamlines and automates container management's operational tasks. It also decreases the time and resources required for daily operations while increasing reliability through automated container orchestration. Once installed, Kubernetes takes care of networking, computing, and storage for your workloads. It frees developers from having to worry about the underlying environment and lets them concentrate on applications. Additionally, it performs ongoing health checks on your services, restarting containers that crash or stall and only enabling user access to services once it verifies they are operational. Another advantage is that you can run your apps anywhere, which means you can run them on public clouds, on-site, and in hybrid deployments in between. This allows you to run your applications wherever you need them. If a cluster is too big to run a service, Kubernetes can automatically scale it down. This allows you to run your applications efficiently and scale them up or down automatically based on demand. Given its many advantages, Kubernetes has emerged as the leading container orchestration platform, and over the coming years, its use is only anticipated to increase. Understanding the fundamentals of Kubernetes can be pretty beneficial if you are a software developer. Although it is not necessary to be an expert, knowing concepts like pods, deployments, and services will help you in your work. If you have any questions about Kubernetes, you can contact uHero at info@uheroglobal.com or visit us at uheroglobal.com. What are you waiting for now? Get things started.